Guys, today I will show you how to use Stremio app on your Android phone or wherever your phone is. So uh, to do this, open first your Stremio. After downloading it from Play Store or App Store, you have to create your account. For example, me, I already have account, so it will open directly on the home page. Right now, here on your home page, you can find the popular movie, popular series, and everything. You can also search for anything, as you can see here. Also, you can discover from here. If you click on library, you can find your saved movie or series. For example, this I will watch it later. If you click here on add-ons, so it will show you the add-ons that you can install to if you want to watch, you have to install some add-ons. Install it, and then you can watch. And from here, if you click on the settings, you're gonna see this list. You can manage many things like the interface language, the subtitle language. You can also delete your account from here and manage and control some settings. And that's all. The application is very easy. If you want to watch a movie, just you should click on it like this and choose the add-ons that you want to play with and click, and that's all it will play. And that's all the application. Streamio. It's very easy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.